literature?
People will ask, what is literature? Is there any importance of literature? How will we preserve literature? Or else, do we need to preserve literature?
Now, in our modern world, there's a lot of people not giving any attention in learning and preserving literature. They got bored easily just by reading one line in beautiful short story or poems. They aren't appreciate the historical and cultural value of literature.
Also, if we do not preserve or revive literature, how will our life will be going in the future? How can people will learn what is happening in this century if we do not give literature any importance in our life right now?
Not just that, who will be called the historian in the next century? Who will be called to be an author or a writer if we cannot do anything to revive literature right now?
Are you familiar with literature?
Yes.
Yes. Oo.
Should we revive literature and why?
Yes, we should revive literature because it is very common in our everyday life. It can help us to emphasize the characteristics of an individual and feel the emotion of each other without experiencing it firsthand.
I think we should kasi kasi sa generation natin ngayon, marami na yung mga kabataan mostly na hindi na alam yung mga literature natin dito sa Pilipinas. And it hurts me as a language educator, as a language student rather, kasi marami ng mga estudyante na hindi nakakaalam mostly ng mga Philippine literature natin. Mostly yung alam na lang nila is yung mga literature from other countries. Pero pag usapan na ng Philippine literature is nakakalimutan na nila.
And why?
Dapat na ibalik kung ano yung nagagawa natin, yung paggawa ng mga tula, ng mga maikling kwento at iba pa. Dahil naniniwala ako na dahil dito, naipapakita natin yung kultura natin at kung ano ang meron tayo bilang isang Pinoy.
As a student, can you give a short tip for those people who don't give any importance to our literature?
Okay. We should start loving literature and we should, kung gusto nating ma-bring back yung literature, kailangan magsimula sa atin. Kasi ako, student, kailangan ko ng literature to develop my language skills, my emotion sensitivity to ma-apply ko siya sa estudyante ko in the future.
For me, as a future educator, I believe the tips that I can give you is that una, kailangan nating i-promote as a future teacher yung ating literature dito sa ating bansa. Kasi gaya ng sabi ko kanina na marami ng kabataan yung hindi nakakaalam ng ating literature. So, as part of our role as a teacher, we need to promote also the act of Filippinism. And other than that, I think it is proper also to make some pages na nag-upload ay kung saan nagpo-post tayo ng mga literary pieces from the all sorts or all sa lahat ng kanto ng Pilipinas para sa ganon is malaman ng ibang tao or ng mga mangbabasa yung mga nawawala ng literature dito sa Pilipinas.
Bilang estudyante at bilang future guro, naniniwala ako na sa pamamagitan ko o sa pamamagitan ng kapangyarihan kong magturo, mas ma-enhance natin at mas ma-grow natin yung kakayahan ng isang bata. Naniniwala ako na nasa kamay natin, hindi lang sa'yo kundi tayong lahat.
Reviving literature is a really challenge in our world right now. In a world where technology are advancing at an accelerating rate or in a higher rate. Let me tell you something. If we do not revive literature, history will die. Culture will die, and one of the most important in all, the interpretation of things that we do not know in our life is still the unknown.
Literature can guarantee a closer relationship for upcoming generations, foster creativity and intellectual capacity. Literature offers a timeless haven for reflective and thoughtful deliberation.
Also, reviving literature will save our culture, although no myths, legend, and folk tales pass generation to generation. So reviving literature will keep our tradition, our culture alive. We should save the history, the past,
We should not forget that through literature we can gain deeper understanding of whole world and the eras, both past and future.
What are you doing? Be part of us, the people who want to revive literature.
Acknowledge others. Revive literature.